Hey, hey, what is it? What did you wanted to say to Yash? I had a doubt on seeing you there. Huh? Will you say anything now? What am I asking? Tell me.
Sister. Sister is planning something.
What plan?
No, I wanted to say that.
Hey, you tell me about the plan.
Party.
What about it?
Tomorrow there is a party and sister will do something wrong to Yash.
What?
Yes, she wants Yash's place anyhow.
Don't talk like a fool.
No, I'm speaking the truth. Our Yash's life is in danger. And I had gone there to say this to him.
No. I cannot accept what you are saying.
You can't accept it. That Saroj has also heard what I'm saying. If you want, then I will call her here.
With Saroj? That housekeeping lady?
Yes. After hearing all this, only I know what my condition is like. Yash's face is flashing before me every moment. Poor guy. He does so much for all of us. He comes running to us during our time of need. And then he says himself that I am there for everyone. And sister is doing this to a nice guy like Yash. She's trying to harm him. No. All of this needs to stop. And someone should tell her how wrong she is. And someone should tell her. Yes. What? Huh?
Sammy! What are you doing? Yeah? I heard everything you said to me. Now you're trying to harm my Yash.
What are you doing in my bedroom right now? You came here drunk, huh? Out!
I will throw you out of this house
Satyajit!
now. What, Satyajit?
Satyajit, please
It
go!
is his fault and all of this is happening.
Vishwajit, what are you doing?
You should have done it earlier. You didn't do it. That's why I have to do this. I will remove her out of this house.
Hey, she is my wife.
So should we give the whole house to her? What? She's trying to harm my Yash.
He's lying!
I will not leave her. I will beat her.
You
don't
wait,
come in
wait,
between.
please.
You don't come in between.
Yash! Yash, please! Yash, please save me!
Wait, where are you going?
This man,
Wait,
Yash.
hey, liar. You developed so much guts. Yes,
Hey,
You
I
lied.
warn you! I warn you!
you are warning me. I kept hearing whatever you said till now. You turned out to be a very big liar.
Yash! Hey!
No one
Yash.
will come to help.
Yash!
I will.
Uncle!
Hey!
Uncle! Hey!
Hey!
What are you doing?
Yash! Please save me!
Have you lost it?
I will not leave her today.
What are you doing?
Yash, it's good you came on time. Yash, this petty man was going to take my life.
You are the one who's petty and not me. She was planning to harm you during the party.
No, he's lying, Yash. You know that I consider you my son. He's angry about the same. With that anger in his mind, he entered my bedroom to harm, seeing that I was alone. Good that Satyajit came there on time, or else I would have died. You ask Satyajit.
She is speaking the truth, Yash. I reached on time or else something bad would have happened.
I can also say that I came to know on time, or else my Yash's life would have been in danger.
Vishwajit, you calm down. Let's sit and talk whatever you want to say.
No, you calm down. But I will not sit calm now.
What will you do?
I am calling the police right now.
Go and call the police or whoever you want to call. I will finish you before they come. I will go to the cops. I will go to the police station. I will not leave her.
Yash, this is too much now. Just because I'm tolerant doesn't mean that he will behave like this and speak anything. Keep in mind that even I can raise my
Yeah,
hand.
you never raised your hand as a kid. How will you do that now?
Hey, you!
Keep quiet! What are you doing? This is our house. And I feel that we live in a cultured family. This is our culture. No one is ready to listen to each other. You're just blaming each other. Will someone please tell me calmly what has happened here? Uncle, but before that, you were wrong by raising your hand on Aunt. Please apologize to her.
At least listen to me.
Just say sorry, enough is enough.
She's not even a human. I'm telling you to call the cops and hand her over. Once she leaves this house, then only our family will prosper, or it won't happen.
Look, Uncle, I don't know if she will go anywhere, but if you don't apologize to her, then I will surely leave this house.
Yash?
I promise. Uncle, I always keep my word. Time has still not passed. Will you apologize to her or...
Sorry.
Now tell me calmly what happened.
She always shows and tells you that she loves you a lot. That is all lies, all lies. The question is if a person should love people or money more. That is the question. But if she will try to harm you, then I will not leave her.
No, this is not true. You know that he says anything after drinking, as he is blabbering anything now and speaking what he wants.
I side with Simi in this regard. Because I know how much she loves you. How can the person whose eyes are always closed see a mother's love?
Even though my eyes are closed, but my ears are open.
You say anything, but Simi can never do anything like that when it comes to Yash.
Don't you trust me? Don't you trust whatever I just said to you? I'm speaking the truth. Oh my goodness, what do I do so that you trust? Come here. Stand here. Yash. I swear in the name of my Pikachu that this man is lying. I'm your mother. I see you. I see you in my Pikachu's place.
Aunt, cool down. Cool down. You come here. Relax. Look, it is just Uncle's opinion. No one among us had said anything like that to you.
No, but if I had anything in my mind, then would I have taken my Pikachu's oath?
It's okay, Aunt. If Uncle is saying anything that, then let me ask Uncle at least, why does he feel that? Tell me, Uncle.
That she heard it Mithila told me that.
Aunt Mithila,
Yes.
is Uncle speaking the truth? Look, you all saw that happened here. The lie and truth will now only depend on you.
No.
What happened?
No. I never said anything like that to you.
Hey, liar! You said all that in the room to me, right? And now you're refusing in front of everyone. First, I need to teach you a lesson. I need to teach you a
You're
lesson.
making the same mistake you did with Aunt Simi. I feel everyone is mistaken about each other and nothing else. So let's just say sorry to each other and finish this topic here. Please, I beg you.
You changed your words in front of everyone, right? This is called betrayal. You've always did this. Always. I used to hate you before. It is said that even if you have hate and anger against someone, but still you will have a bit of love for the person somewhere in the heart. Always some love. Now I don't even hate you. But now you don't exist for me. Goodbye.
Pikachu, go and sleep, dear.
My goodness, Yash, you came on time, or else this man would have killed me today. Yash, I feel that our Vishwajit needs psychiatrist treatment. He's so dangerous. We should keep him far away from our house somewhere. I feel it will be better for us. We will be safe, you know.
Cool down. There's no need to do all this.
See, I had told you. Look, he got violent. Handle him. You come.
Sister, please, I made no mistake. Please believe me. Sister, please leave me. Sister, listen
Then
to
why
me.
was your husband saying, which I was telling your husband? He also said that you tell him all this.
Sister, please, I made no mistake. Please believe me. He's saying anything, and I took your side only, right? Huh?
Oh, you had to do it. You had to do it, or else I would have held your throat there. Do you have that in your mind? Now I know it very well. And keep one thing in mind. Always know your place, okay? Or else you will never know how I will destroy you. Keep that in mind. Out!
Uncle, what is all this? Are you all right?
Yash, sit. You sit. You don't go anywhere.
No.
You don't go anywhere. Got it? I'm with you. Wait.
Uncle.
Don't move.
Uncle.
You don't move, okay?
Uncle,
Look,
look.
I will wait with you. I will not let anyone even touch your hair. It's my responsibility.
Uncle, nothing has happened to me. I'm fine. What has happened to you? Why are you behaving like this? What's troubling you?
Me?
Yes.
Nothing is bothering me. You sit. Sit here. I am not bothered. People are hurt as I speak the truth. And now also I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth. Your life is in great danger. And even if I die, it's fine still. I will never let anything happen to you. You are my kid.
Uncle, look at me.
Yes.
Nothing has happened to me and nothing will happen to. Look at me, I'm fine.
You don't know how much danger your life is in.
Look, I feel that you should sleep for some time.
I am high. I am high. I am not high. I'm not saying as I am high. I'm speaking the truth. You don't know, Yash. The people in this house are so bad that they will not hesitate to kill you and tear this family apart. I will not leave you.
One moment, nothing like that will
Yes.
happen. You sleep now. I was just going to say that. You please sleep. Sleep.
No, I will only stay with you. I will not let anything happen to you. You also wait here. You also sleep along with me.
Okay, I'll wait here. I will not go anywhere.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Will you sleep now?
Yes. You also sleep with me
Come on.
here. Don't go anywhere.
Don't worry, Uncle. Now everything will be fine.
If Yash sir's worth is 5 billion rupees and Sameer sir will be at least worth 10%. 10% of 5 billion rupees means 500 minus 10. It means 4.9 million rupees.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, sir. Today I had too many appointments. Parlor, shopping, coffee shop, but just because...
Are you talking to me?
Look, sir. I came here as you called me here. But if you're here to convince me, then
No, I'm not here to convince you.
Then what is the work?
Do we have to meet always with regards to work?
No, I mean, we can meet and talk about each other too.
If you are done being shy, then let's talk.
Tell me, sir.
What do you feel about friendship?
Means?
I mean, whom do you think about when I say the word best friend? Best friend.
In that case, Neha is my best friend. But since you called me here
No,
today...
don't think anything new about today. Let's talk about Neha, okay? So, Neha is your best friend, okay? Similarly, Yash is my best friend. This is the one thought where our thinking matches.
Oh, wow. It's nice if we have something in common, right?
She feels that is important. Listen, Neha is your best friend. Yash is my best friend, right? And they both are good friends, right? I mean, even they didn't realize when they became good friends. And you know what all Yash did for Neha after that?
Yes, sir. But sir, Neha says that Yash sir cheated on her.
No, not at all. Can Yash cheat like that? Tell me the truth. Can Yash cheat like that? Yash will never cheat anyone. Now the issue is that if we are their best friends, then it's our moral duty to solve any issues between them, right? Or what is the use of our friendship?
Yes, you are right, sir, but...
Now if it's right, then why the ifs and buts? If it's right, then it's right. Listen, I will touch all the topics. Yash has kept a party. It's very important that Neha comes to that party. Yash is waiting for her. And he has given you the responsibility to bring Neha.
But sir...
Now, no ifs and buts. Yash will wait for her. It's very important that Neha comes to that party, okay? So you will get Neha and that's final. Now there is no more discussion.
What really is all this? Why is Yash so much behind Neha? But he also used to speak about 5 billion rupees always. Will it be something like that? Sir, both Neha and Yash will be at the party, right?
Correct?
Sir? You mean Yash loves Neha?
Your thoughts are very nice, Shefali. Why is it so heavy? Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, relax. Hey, listen. It's important that Yash and Neha be present at that party. But I'm also there. Right? You are there too? But will you get Neha?
If Neha becomes the cause for meeting you, then I'm ready to bring her anywhere.
Thank you. Promise?
Promise.
Thank you so much. My work is done. Please get Neha to the party. Yash is waiting for Neha. Please.
Sure, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Bye.
Sir. There will be something really special if Sameer sir himself came to meet me.